In this video, we will discuss about difference between CU and ALU. CU stands for Control Unit. ALU stands for Arithmetic Logic Unit. Control Unit controls overall activates of computer. ALU performs arithmetic and logical operations. CU does not depends on ALU. ALU depend entirely on the control unit for its function. In CU, data becomes accessible at any time. In ALU, data gets erased once operation completes. CU is responsible to direct the system and execute the instructions. ALU is responsible to perform all the tasks to complete the CU instruction. CU is an independent unit of CPU. ALU is directed by control unit. CU is an important part of CPU. ALU is most critical component of CPU. CU operates at a slower speed as it manages the sequencing of instructions and coordinates data movement. ALU operates at a higher speed as it performs the actual arithmetic and logic operations. CU is more extensive and more complex due to its role in managing the CPU's operation and instruction execution. ALU is generally smaller and less complex compared to the CU, as it mainly focuses on performing calculations. CU does not perform the functions of calculations. ALU performs functions of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division.